So from the greenhouse, we have already brought several things outside. We have brought all of the 20-gallon grow bags. We've already brought all of those, except for one. There's only one still in the greenhouse, but we brought all of those out into the garden, and you can see we have all of these grow bags, and the garden is a mess. And so we need to make sure that we're topped off all of the grow bags. And so the things that we did bring out that were growing was this one sage plant, which has like quadrupled since we brought it out. It is like totally taking up the grow bag, and within it I've placed one little cilantro plant there. This bag here, it has this yarrow plant there that's growing in it. Those are a few red onions there. We have transplanted some green pea seedlings here into this grow bag, along with a couple of heads of lettuce. We have also placed one little plant there. What is that? That is a marigold. We placed a marigold in there, and we've also placed additional marigold seeds in there. And we've also placed, I think that's parsley there, or maybe, no, I think that's additional cilantro there. Cilantro. And then some more lettuce in here with the, what is this? This is lavender. So we have lavender here. We also have more marigold seeds in there, but we have placed some leaf lettuce, that one cilantro, and we have leaf lettuce and green lettuce there as well with those green peas. Okay, so over here, back there in the back, those two bags there have potatoes. This one has yellow potatoes or gold potatoes, and that one has red potatoes, and both of them have onions, white onions or yellow Spanish onions, and red onions as well. Okay, so those are the only plants that we have growing so far. Okay, and so panning around here into the greenhouse, I will be doing my inventory of all of the plants that we have here in the greenhouse. I do need to, on my little trusty list here, in my little green gardening notebook, I need to do a inventory of all of the plants and how many that I have in the greenhouse, because I will be doing little mini gardens in each of the grow bags, in each of the containers. Okay, so we need to determine how many plants, how many different varieties of each that we have here in the greenhouse, because as you can see, friends, the greenhouse is chock full of a little bit of everything. So we have so much going on here in the greenhouse, and we need to get this stuff inventoried so that we can go ahead and create our little mini greenhouses out here into, oops, I just knocked something over. Did you guys see that? Oops. So we have to get everything out here into these grow bags to create our little mini greenhouses, our little mini gardens. And by mini garden, what I mean is, like, I have this one here. This is my little sample one. So it has green peas, it has a variety of lettuce, it has a variety of herbs. So there is thyme and rosemary there, and I thought I was going to put a couple of parsley or cilantro or rosemary or something else in there. We'll see. But in the meantime, though, it does have 6 different plants in this little container that are all companions for one another, and that should all grow fairly well in this container, because we want it to be lush and full as the season progresses. So we want to have over 20 of those little mini gardens here, because we have at least 23 available containers of these 20-gallon containers. But even in addition to the 23 20-gallon fabric go bags there. Even these little containers, I want to put a couple of plants in those as well. And by that I mean so like with these onions, to perhaps put a flower in there or some other type of plant, maybe even one pepper plant in with those onions, if that's companion. I can't remember if onions go with peppers or not, but anyway, even using these smaller containers to create a mini garden of companion based plants. So anyway, friends, just wanted to bring you out into the garden with me and show you the mess that I have, that I hope to have organized very, very soon, because spring has sprung, friends. Spring has definitely sprung. So I will see you guys next time, and hopefully with my completed inventory from the greenhouse of everything that I have. See you next time. Bye.